Alright guys, gdwarrior back with my new tire A1 250. Look at that bitch. Woo! This thing is mean looking. It's just beautiful. So we're gonna go on a quick ride. Hopefully it's not gonna fucking rain. And I'm gonna do a quick speed shifting video for you guys. I tried to do it twice already, but unfortunately it was too dark. All right. I see you, man. Have a good day. All right. So speed shifting, that's the subject for today. I'm gonna be riding to my body, and in the meantime I'm gonna show you how to speed shift. Anyways, okay, speed shifting, what it basically is you won't use the clutch lever anymore. Okay, what you do is on your shifter you are gonna apply a pressure to the shifter, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna blip the throttle while you push the shifter up. You shift up, okay? So blip it. What is blipping? Yeah, I'll show you. Actually, it's gonna be the other way with my hand. So you're gonna let go of the throttle just a little bit. You're not gonna close it. It's still gonna be open, but you're gonna just blip it like this. Okay? Tick. You see me? Tick, tick. You're gonna blip it like that once you start riding. Don't downshift like that, because that's when you can fuck up your engine. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. Pay attention to my right hand, and I will be having pressure on my shifter, and then when you blip it up, instantaneously and simultaneously you're going to okay, so look, I'm applying right now pressure to my shifter. Boom. You see that? I didn't even use the clutch lever. That's blipping. Once. Oh, that was neutral. You see that? Blipped it. And let's do it again. Under 10. I'm flying, man. Woo. Anyways, let me show you how to speed shift one more time. So I'm at 4th right now. Let's switch it up to 3rd. Alright, I'm in 3rd gear right now, so I'm applying pressure to the shifter. And now watch my hand. You see that? That's blipping the throttle while it's shifting. It's much faster